Sorry, I didn't finish it. This is how it's supposed to look. Reinforced it. Okay, so we got a, what is this, a e300 scooter, and the problem was the battery kept on dying, lead acid, so I figured, fuck it, go big. I made a lithium battery. This one's a 12.6. I made 2 of them. I'm gonna put them in series, and then I'm gonna add a BMS for the take care of the batteries, and then I'm gonna add a charging port so you can charge it. Yeah. Alright, so I changed it up last time. I checked it and it wasn't all the same. And I hooked up the black plate to negative, and then when I checked the positive, 3.534. Now I checked cell 1, 3.534. 3.534. 3.534. 3.534. 3.534. 3.534. All 6 cells. So that's good. That means the batteries are good. I want it to look like that. The tape's just so when I put it down, no metal touches it. But the fish paper is supposed to protect it. Yeah. Turn on.